in this day and age, you have to be aggressive, you have to go out and try to continue to improve. So even if you are at benchmark levels, you always have to focus on other improvements.
Before the lean process, it was just a mess in here. There was no organization, there was no structure. The lean transformation really has helped us as a company on our quality and our efficiency.
Being successful on a global basis, you better be able to do manufacturing very well in order to compete and create wealth.
The transformation has been like night and day. Lean works.
At Accuride, we service the commercial truck industry. We handle brake drums. We also handle hub assembly components as well as slack adjusters. Over these last 8 years, we've implemented a lot of processes. The biggest thing with our lean journey has been the engagement of our employees to build a culture from within that individuals feel like they're part of a team.
The lean process here at Accuride uses a number of visual tools as well as very disciplined spreadsheet tools so that we make sure that we calculate the Kanban elements of our pull system. So employee engagement and empowerment is probably the most important element of that.
Whenever you have input from everybody, that improves the process through and through. The culture has definitely changed since the lean transformation because people definitely understand now that they do have a voice in the company. And we have people in management now that will listen.
Now we're able to talk with our supervisor. We all come to agreements. We even have meetings with upper management to change things, to make our company better and our product. I love working here. That's why we are where we are today.
Our manufacturing pillars revolve around safety, quality, delivery, and cost. It starts with our daily meetings, and that rolls all the way through our facility.
And then the actions we take and the decisions we make as a team have to be consistent with those values, and that's what we would call integrity.